selling boats faster.
Here we are aboard a very well equipped and immaculately maintained Fountaine Pajot 46 sailing cat. Looking into the saloon, over to starboard we have the galley, 3-burner hob, an oven and a huge freezer. Panning around into the saloon area, and then the navigation chart table area. Turning aft and to the port side, down the steps to the 2 double cabins. And we have aft double, ensuite heads, a single berth settee in the passageway, washing machine to port, and on into the forward double cabin. Once again with ensuite heads and shower. Returning aft, and up into the saloon. And down into the owner's suite. A large double bed aft. Sofa with a large flat panel TV, and moving all the way forward, the heads compartment and a separate shower stall.